Happy New Year, everybody! I love monkey bread. And to celebrate New Year, I'm making Mimosa Monkey Bread. Enough of that. Let's get to cooking.
This is the perfect recipe to make while drinking a mimosa. In a baggie, I'm going to put a cup of sugar and the zest of 2 oranges. I've got 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits that I'm going to rip apart in quarters and throw it in that sugar. Shake up that bag and get those biscuits covered in sugar. Pour those evenly into the bundt pan. In a small jug, you need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice, and 3 tablespoons of Prosecco or any champagne. Mix that together, then pour it over your biscuits. Bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Once out of the oven, let it sit for 10 minutes. For the topping, I need 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix in 2 tablespoons of Prosecco. Flip that over and remove that top. Drizzle on that sauce. Mimosa Monkey Bread. Sweet and boozy.
To see more monkey breads, check out my playlist, JoJo's Monkey Breads. The link is in the description. What kind of music do monkeys like? Swing music.